In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile bank accounts in Zoho Books, taking you through a comprehensive bank reconciliation guide. Reconciliation is a crucial process to ensure your recorded transactions match your actual bank statement, keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to the banking module. You'll find this on the left-hand sidebar, conveniently labeled Banking. This is where all your financial institutions are listed and managed. Once you're in the banking module, focus on selecting the specific bank account you wish to reconcile. Simply click on the name of the account. This action takes you into a detailed view of your transactions related to that particular account. Next, it's time to access the reconciliation tool. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it, and from the available drop-down menu, select Reconcile Account. This tool will guide you through the reconciliation process. With the tool open, initiate the reconciliation. Look for the button labeled Initiate Reconciliation, or alternatively, Reconcile Now, depending on your version. This step is essential as it sets the stage for aligning your financial records with the bank statement. Now, input the statement details. Enter the start and end dates for the reconciliation period you're focusing on, and ensure you type in the closing balance exactly as shown on your bank statement. Precision here is vital to ensure accuracy in your records. One of the most detailed steps is matching transactions. Zoho Books will present both your bank feed transactions and those you've recorded. The best approach here is to uncheck all the boxes initially. Then, go through your statement line by line, selecting the corresponding transactions within Zoho Books that match your statement. Remember, your primary goal is to make sure each transaction on your statement has its counterpart in your records. Zoho Books will assist by showing the cleared amount, which is the total of transactions you've selected compared to the bank's closing balance. Your mission: make that difference zero. In cases where you find discrepancies, such as missing transactions, you can easily add them directly from the reconciliation screen, ensuring all entries are accounted for. Once you've achieved that zero difference, click Reconcile. This action confirms the process and locks in the transactions for the period you're reconciling. However, if for some reason you need to pause, there's an option to save your progress and return later. After reconciliation, it's a good practice to verify everything. Zoho Books will save all details and provide a reconciliation status report, showing you any items that may still be outstanding. Use this report to ensure everything has been properly squared away. By following these steps carefully, you'll master the art of bank reconciliation in Zoho Books, maintaining the integrity of your financial records.